Mechanical or medical issue here, medical issue this morning with one of the other ships. I'm plugging up the burner, so everybody's a bit late here today due to our medical issue. Anyways, our estimated time of arrival, everybody, for Swartz Bay is 10 to 3. 10 to 3 arrival, Swartz Bay. Leads us to the following departure and safety announcements.
It's now going from here. Wow, beautiful scene. The last deck I want to see. Wow, how beautiful. This is amazing. I started to work.
यहाँ से टर्मिनल पॉइंट तक ये फेरी
We'd like to welcome you aboard Kayaking ferry at the spirit of Vancouver Island. We want you to enjoy the journey and be safe. So please listen to our quick. First off, every member of our crew is Transport Canada Marine Safety Certified. In the unlikely event of an emergency, don't be your guide. You'll need to stop what you're doing and follow their directions.